Hello guys, today I've got the Samsung Galaxy A57 and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera focus issues. The most important thing at first, in the very beginning, I do recommend to do, and this is the most common fix actually, clean the camera. Take yourself a microfiber cloth or just a soft cloth and wipe gently in the circles like I will show you now. Both here, the main, ultra wide, and of course the macro. This three needs to be cleaned. Now check if your autofocus works. If your autofocus works, or the manual focus, of course, it should work. If it doesn't work still, you need to restart the camera application. So do so. Okay. If you have your camera opened, do something like this: close all and reopen it. This should This should fix the temporary autofocus glitches. If your camera still can't, find the focus automatically, you need to tap on your subject to focus properly manually. Hold for a second to lock focus, like for example tap like this, or hold for a second, or just tap and lock with this padlock over here. Apart from that, keep the proper distance. Autofocus struggles when you're too close to our subject or too far in macro situations. So best range is 20 to 50 centimeters for close shots and 1 to 2 meters for portraits, or 3 to 5 centimeters for macros. Avoid low light autofocus problems. So low light equals lower focus. Increase the lighting and move subject closer to the light source. Apart from that, you can try to switch the camera modes. So from photo to video and back to photo. It resets the focus system internally. If it didn't help you, you need to open the desktop, hold your finger on the camera app, tap this info icon over here, and now scroll down to the storage. Here tap clear cache, optionally clear data, and delete. It should fix corrupted autofocus data, just your camera corrupted data. Now open the camera and everything should be okay. As you can see here, we've got the tutorial once again, and now it should work. If it doesn't work still, you need to disable the disable the autofocus. Disable the autofocus, like on purpose. So go to Pro, and now tap it, and instead of autofocus, set to manual focus and adjust it manually over here. If it worked for you, that's nice, but if it didn't work for you, you need to try to test different lenses. For example, switch between 1x main in normal photo mode, of course. Switch between 1x main and 0.x ultra wide. If only one lens is blurry, could be the specific lens issue. And that should be it. If it didn't help you, you need to contact device support to have it fixed. Goodbye.